Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Roblox support ticket. To submit a Roblox report ticket, start by opening the Roblox app on your phone and tapping More in the bottom right corner. From there, go to Help and Safety, then select Violations and Appeal, and tap on Support Ticket. While filling out the ticket, the first name field is optional, but your email is required. Enter it twice to confirm. Next, select the device you're using, such as iPhone or Android, and choose the appropriate help category from the options like technical support, billing, account hacked, or bug reports. Depending on your selection, a submenu will appear where you can provide additional details like a declined purchase. Finally, write a clear description of your issue, keeping your language professional and concise. Once completed, tap Continue and you'll receive a confirmation email. From there, simply wait for a Roblox representative to contact you regarding your issue. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.